kujukia babweri kujukia kanya gaka kureta ana bound ene ya university ire kuritana ana mekarie mega
ende kirotira kyo tuka muri chonda kumba kwethekili kidwa ibawe chakwe mathoma kumba kwethira baitintia mono kile mantu yari to tikiro kumba kwethira baikira dasta
lakini area to nayo thai area under review no mantu ja maingi ja garukite ko under review dera thirikari ewenge keja thirikari yaritwa ngindagwa thirikari ne utongerie bwaritwa rera bange bakeja batonye ofisi mantu jo jagatwika reviewed mantu jamo lakini tikwetikia mantu jamo iki jaga change no ntu batwe turunga merete mantu ja kwethirwa turi na an all-round student kana muritwa o train interaction de na ingwete kia to train professionals te anto bagweta baina idhono.
Sections in the code of conduct needs review concerning the dreadlocks in men because Rastafarianism is a religion as per the law, and the High Court back in 2019 passed that, and I guess we should also adapt that and inculcate it in our code of conduct, simply because as an institution we must align ourselves with the constitution of the country.
Mo de burumo karigete wari to school we abdiando na meneleti gikundi kimoyo kumenyekana ya meka kirekero mirete ntuko inkai kumba kwetha kimeneria mawadho ya abdi akiwa batena rodra kumba kwetha kerire mantu ye gerto bakem.
About this Mecca association that I've heard about it in Meru, you guys, you should not purport to be talking on behalf of comrades of Kenya Methodist University and specifically their student leaders, because we have to respect all the governing councils, and we as student leaders, we feel as if you infringed our roles as student leaders. And the only Mecca we have only ever heard about is that in Saudi Arabia, where we do pilgrimage as Muslims. So let's assume all the others that we are hearing about. Thank you.
Rira Vice Chancellor skuru Professor Gichoyo mbete kwitha kiligithe mantu yana komba kwitha ni mawatho mbete kwitha gitura kumotene na haka watu mbete kwitha bagitikanire na mantu ya na boba tena thine ndi antu bo mebe na thina na mawatho ya skuru nkiripot na Meru TV mbetanda msimuturia wa TURINGE.
Ibwega sana motoria wa TURINGE na tugita na mbere na bo abiashara ba mirani bakuria thirikari kurugura thoko cia mirantere mwanya ja Kenya iri njira imwe ya kuonjorithia kimera kiria kithiritwo gikirumirwa ni mathina kathumba bakiaria ntere cia makandara mutindo kangangi abiashara ba ni bagwetete jamwe ja mathina jaria bagukurukira. Patrick Wastera arinashio
mutindo wa kangangi antu akomenyeka ta makandara aria guturagia thoko wendia na uguri bwa mira abiashara baria bethagira bakionjorithia thoko ne ni bethirite bagitariria mathina jara bakurukirite kumakiri wendia bwa mira
ni Samson Mwanda kuma mira ene ya Karama atwendelee makandara duwa kuma itugie tenjarene to na beja no nduba changa ini no ndo mando mainge akologete kuma korone rambia kwea na to na beja tirigare to kitabite kerutengwe ile kana na ndo ibakurwa to na beja
leo na rais uraiko a support yendelee wita nyandinge ira wa Somali agere yawa niendelee wita nyandinge sionde alafu bunge na buo atobara batria mira ba chaneti mira otuka gwethe ne reo ki mira
nipeta ndomo kuma na nyuki madha kwa ria mira teka kwa mira kila mali ndene Kenya muntu aitare tena mira wenne ni muntu akara kara kiwa mira ne kendo kama ana mo nduge kamu kubise
ronto asineto ke raicheto ruto akebeto sapota nyake mbesa ichi akara to ya siasa la pale tukabia tokona kitu kio kumeonto ngiri ekonomi tokamya kute binatike biashara na mira
bakethira bakiuria thirikari thirekithiria mathina jara yatonyagira mira kambito acio akuona jathiraga kwegita jakethira jagicokerwa
maritwa ngito wangu ni mutawali umite Karama nyake thiri makandara tuli ani twende mira batwe mira twenda mira daima thoko ntukona rai turinga na thirikari ra ngona batwe to thukira mira mantu mira yetete boya lakini tuenda rais ora iko thai akiloge manto ya mira ko tuweka manto ya mira ya korege tiko tuweka yani o bora rais ya no ka reje busumira kwa hiyo ko ira mire twebeta mwanga thai ka chigwethi bora ikaba mananji pia tira yamba kutuweka buta buthia laini cia ko go renge kato rure muri ko tuweka muri yo manto ya karege atura ye chiacha kenda watu ko tuweke turaithira kwibeka ya kinya kwenda mira na ya tikura mira ko tuiga tingilia na mira
wego ya la licho guru ko tuiga to chungurwa ati mira to tande cio mane ya dai no ta ni to bona ai dikare to ke to bona ne kwendelea ngwe ko mbende to kwenda ndore ye to kwenda to teze ya to au doko ka ingwa renge mwanke ya dai yo nya dikare nge koro ya tuiga ba tuiga ko to mira ne kwendelea
mira ne aire kutinga sia nende dikare ne to nyele
iromba riao kiri minista wa urimi aja nthiguru ne mithikari nturi kwana umite muthetu ne yura jukuraga miraa
na siasa ya terasa dulu kira antua miraa ya kisa kwira ya rulia miraa ya mutego koro maroni ndira ra sota na antua wengi muno iba sota atane ya dai miraa na koro para mwenye kura miraa ndio to abaloni tomba kutambwe
kuma thoko nene ya miraa aja mutindo wa Kangangi ire ijikene ta makandara ngekwinyeria nteto rietwa ni Patrick wa Stella
nabo arito bakorenji na university ni bashiumirite na kuregana na itwari ya thirikari nene kwaberia mukombo jua aritoa na mugambo jua komba heob akiaria Dominic Mwirigi uria ni mutongeria wa aritoa Southeastern University ariuga thirikari batere kuonjorithia kithomo gukurukira kuongera mbecha iji onde bakoria thirikari kurekeria kagita kareho kuruki ya uria kwithirito kuri ntuko cia out tene na nande aritoba kuma chukuru mwanya ne bashietete kugita mugomo jo munene ukaigwa thirikari ikeberia kigina gikina bakieja na mukana jo mwanka kiumia kijite mbesha iji kurekerwa Adams Mutoria Dhirinja na guchokera nacho
arito kuma universities mwanya ndi kuneta kinyimbo mbeta kwitha gichumira kumba kwitha kirane twera president William Samoei Ruto kumba kwithira kebero rango eop na kumba kwithira kebwithiro ngro kumba kwithira batethi na kigina ki arito abakyo elb ne bateri kwithira gita na mbere ende kumba kwithira president William Ruto na kumba kwithira kebwithiro ngro kubatethi na kigina amba kwithira kebwithio ndi atikwa ngaratania kigina ke elb
help should be a grant and not a loan, and I think he promised that, and he also promised some other day in a public forum that he will increase this help. There's nowhere during the campaign period our president said that he will abolish that help, and since he has not told us any other coping mechanism the comrades will be surviving on, I think what he should do as per now is just to increase this limit of help and scrap the interest part so that these comrades to enjoy, and they should get facilities at a very friendly price in everywhere they go.
Gintokenge turagirwe what our president said about to create another funding body ya ku fund month jaja aritwa na kirato koromba toriuga eva aka create an alternative body akatongithia help ni throerio that other body can be created tukonoleka work then tukamenya murito thaiji akamenya help weke throerio apart from that body ya creator egotetheria aritwa.
We have the former government that has been fully funding the students in their learning institutions, and they had been providing. This had been a very great supportive body that could enable even the unable people from different societies, the disabled, all the persons in Kenya to access and acquire their courses.
bagete na mbere kwa rimo mbete kwitha kirombo mutongori wa nthiguru William Samoei Ruto kumba kwitha gitire kigina kyo kumba kwithira kirukiro kurio rabo wite pa mboiba lasimekete kumba kwitha kirekana mathomo ni wagibo fees ora kigina kimwe nkira thege tumbete kwithira gikirukirwa.
And I would like this a humble request to our president. The same way he's streamlining all the other sectors in his government, he should also streamline this sector of help, whereby the help at times really delays. It comes in the middle of a trimester, and I think that is not assisting our comrades, because if a money that's supposed to assist me comes late and I'm only surviving on that, how am I going to survive? You see, and I can't also read while I'm hungry.
Drej help yombe kweberuo kwa alitata iji bamaba skuru ndachokerwe batachoka non tuibeterete becheu kende bapush somewhere so help guito itithora giginto gikiega mono ambari ndire mbere kira ikorari na ndire eu itokoromba yeberuo nikenda tukomba kuza alitobeto ibosaba bwega
to tell the government of Kenya that if they are not ready to get enough funds for help, then they'll get enough funds to buy tear gas, because we're not allowed to be to die of hunger just because the government says that they don't have enough funds. If they don't have enough funds, let them borrow. But comrades will not negotiate on help. We don't care if it is the office of the president that will give that help. What matters to us is that help.
Kiripoti na Meru TV mbetanda msimoturia wa TURINGE.
Nindi charungama the mwena ndaika mirongo ina na ithatu na au nionde kira gatanta kirenteto chetu chia Meru TV rukiri no indi ukebabira nonto nishokerete na jare mangathitine nimbitagwa Nancy Ndogo.